Hi there, it's Alan from Hyperstream here, and welcome to another WordPress Basics video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to add a new post to your website. So what you need to do is, once you've logged into WordPress, go to the Posts menu and click on Add New. This is the first way of doing it. The other way you can do it is going up to the top menu and clicking on New Post. And that way as well, that's another way of doing it. The other way of doing it is by going through the dashboard here, and here you can see the quick press. A lot of people don't use this, but it's a pretty neat way of quickly adding a new post here. So you can also add a new post that way by typing in the title here, add your media, add any tags or whatever you want to do. So that's another way. There's 3 ways of doing it there. I always do it the old-fashioned way because I'm stuck in my ways, so I do it via this menu here by clicking on Add New. But either way, it all takes you pretty much to a similar outcome, or the same outcome. So here we are in the post editor. Now, just to quickly go through this, all you need to do is type in your title. I'm not going to go through this in detail. Then you can add your content in this section, and you've got your editor here, so you can bold text, you can do different heading styles, like so you can select different text. Here you've got the Show Hide Kitchen Sink, which it's always hidden, so just click on this to show it. Here's where you've got your different styles you can use, so you've got different headings, for example, which you may utilize, like so. Actually, the one thing to note, on most templates and themes, heading 1 is utilized by the title here. So you may want to just start with use the heading 2s and then go from there, and not use the heading 1s within the actual body copy. So that's how you use the editor. If you want to insert images and video, I'll show you how to insert image first. Click on the Add Media button, and you can add any kind of media. You can add files and pictures, but it's pretty much used for pictures most of the time. So there's 2 ways of doing it. Either upload it from your computer, so download the file to your computer and upload that way. So click on the file and open it that way. You can also do multiple files that way. If you select multiple files like so, you can upload multiple images like so. The other thing you can do, so if you want to insert one of those images, just click on one of them, and then you click on the Insert into Post. These items here, if you want to change the title, this is really more for SEO, and I think I'll come back to this in another video. So just insert that into the post. You can choose the file size you want, so if you want the full size image or medium thumbnail size, and just insert that into the post like so. And there's your image. I'll go into image rescaling and things like that in a different video. But that's it. So that's how you add a new post. Once you really want to publish it, you can either save it as a draft for reviewing later, or publish it immediately. If you want to publish immediately, hit the publish button. Other thing you can do is schedule it to be published in the future. So that's what you would do here, where it says publish immediately. Just edit this, and you can schedule this for a future date. So let's say I want to schedule it in tomorrow, so I can put 21st, and then I hit the publish button, but then it will be scheduled for that particular date. So that's quite useful if you want to do a lot of maybe like a campaign of posts. You can do all of your content beforehand and then schedule it to come out in regular intervals over the period. So that's really useful. The other thing here is you've got, where are we? Different categories. Obviously you can add a different category to your post, which I recommend you do to categorize it. You can add tags to your content. Now tags are just really a way of another way of categorizing content or grouping content together. I'll go into that another time. And if your template allows it, you can set a featured image from here, and the featured image is generally what you see as a thumbnail. So I can set a featured image here. Usually the featured image may not be utilized in this particular template, but we can have a look. So that's it. Once you're ready, it's now published. You can preview that as well, or view it if you've published it. So there's the post which I've published. So that's how you add a post. If you want to delete the post, go back into the dashboard here and go to your post section. So click on post here, it will give you a list of all of the posts on the website or on your blog, whatever you want to call it, and then you just delete it. So here's one I've created and I want to delete that, so click on the trash button. What that does, that will then stick it in the trash folder. It won't completely remove it, so you can go back then and restore that. If you want to then delete it permanently, just click on delete permanently. And that's it. So if you want to do that for multiple, you can also click on multiple items and then use the quick menu here to move that. And then you click on that and then apply, for example. So there you go. So that's how you add a post, and that's how you delete posts. Got any more questions? I'd love to hear them. I'd like to, I'm looking for content more to put on the blog and to do video blogs with. So I'd love to hear your questions about WordPress. If you've got any specific problems, it'd be really good to hear those. So just use the comments below on use the comments box on Hyperstream on the blog, and that's it really. So I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.